Simple and compound sentences. What is a simple sentence? A simple sentence has one idea. Example: I eat breakfast. Few more example. She likes cake. We go to school. He plays football. What is a compound sentence? A compound sentence has two ideas. We join them together. We use joining words. And, but, so. Example using in. Sentence 1: I eat breakfast. Sentence 2: I drink milk. Let's join these sentences together using the word and. I eat breakfast, and I drink milk. Example using but. Sentence 1: She likes cake. Sentence 2: She does not like bread. Let's join the two sentences. She likes cake, but she does not like bread. Example using so. Sentence 1: I was tired. Sentence 2: I went to bed. Let's join the two sentences. I was tired, so I went to bed. Great job. Keep learning. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.